so, all right? And now we're going to add alginate to it. And what do you see? Yeah, first of all, it doesn't seem to mix so well, but it seems to make threads or strings. Now, Janine is going to... okay, you guys are great. So what's happened is you've taken small molecules and you've put them together into much, much bigger molecules using the feature of a simple salt. So let's just explain to you a little what happened, and then we're going to try and relate it to the making of cheese. So in biology, what we learned is that we always have to do experiments that are so-called control experiments, where you don't have any change. And so you can contrast what happens when you add something with what happens when you don't add something. So you guys are molecules. We're the yeast cells. Come on, come closer. You're the pizza dough. Pretend you're pizza dough, and you know your parents are kneading pizza dough, and we are the yeast molecules, including the molecular biologists. Okay, crowd around, crowd around. Okay, and I have to get inside the dough. Okay, so we are now yeast cells, and when yeast cells produce gas. Right? When yeast cells produce gas, they start to produce a lot of gas, so they start to form holes in the network. And then you have a network with holes in it, which is like bread or pizza dough. And that's the origin of the holes in bread. What do you think? Give them a big round of applause. Okay. Okay, back to your seats. Cheese in the world comes from milk. Okay, so every kind of cheese in the world comes from milk, and you know, you can go to the supermarket and see many different kinds of milk. So we're going to do an experiment with whole milk, because whole milk has a lot of fat, which is the things you want in cheese. I didn't want you here.
That's biology. You got no business talking about this.
Okay.
What is in this package that we all use when we make bread and cookies is dehydrated yeast cells. And so what the industry has done is taken yeast, this microbe,
I am defining
dehydrated yeast. Anyway, they've taken. So I'm a microbiologist and he is a micromanager. And